Welcome to the program of question and answers on atheism, in which the answers were given by Gora, an eminent freedom fighter and an atheist. Today our topic is the caste system, and the question is, don't you think that reversion to the caste system will be beneficial in India in avoiding unhealthy competition among professionals? Further, respect for caste develops hereditary skills in our profession and contributes to the efficiency of tasks in a social order. And for this, Gora gave the answer. The questioner assumes that the caste system of Hindu polity was based upon division of labor. If the assumption were correct, there should be equality among the people to whichever caste they belong. But the extreme inequalities in the caste hierarchy and the poverty that is associated with the lower funks are proofs that the caste system is more in the nature of exploitation than of division of labor. Caste system was based upon faith in karma and rebirth. It laid down that wicked characters were destined to be born in lower castes. So, the assumption of division of labor and specialization of functions do not hold good in respect of the caste system. On the contrary, caste system held people apart in isolations in grades of degradation ending in untouchability. Therefore, caste system is antisocial and inhuman. It subsisted in early times when people were religiously superstitious. In this age of democracy and equality, caste system is not only outmoded but opposed to social justice and love for equality. Division of labor is a social convenience and skills can be hereditary communicated, but there should be no bar on change of professions according to change of tastes, and no profession should be held inferior to another. In the caste system, there was arrogance of intellectual professionalism in the Brahmins, while manual labor and tasks of sanitation were deemed menial and loathsome. The rise of democracy with political equality implied in universal adult suffrage reveals that caste hierarchy is no longer valid. But caste cannot be dismissed by condemning it socially unless its foundations of karma philosophy are shattered. It is adoption of atheism that dismisses faith in karma and establishes the right to equality in social respect and in economic opportunity along with political equality contained in the democracy. And this was the answer given by Gora to our topic of the caste system. And we shall meet with again another question and answer in the next episode. Thank you.
For more videos, please subscribe to our Positive Atheism English channel presented by Samaran Channels, which has crossed more than 20 crore views. Please like, subscribe and share our videos, and for notification of our new videos, please click the bell icon.